Hi everyone, I wanted to make a short video showing you how to problem solve when you get the blue flashing light. In addition to trying to regel CMS and DRL, there's a test that you can do with a bucket of water, which I think everybody should know how to do. I'm always happy to take calls and talk you through this, but it's probably a good idea just to see it in action. So right now you can see that the light is blinking. And if I go next door to the control room, this is what it's going to look like. So all of the offsets, this is for the ribbon cable, and these are for EX1 through 8 over here, and you'll see that they're all the way down. Okay, next we're going to stick CMS and DRL into the box, into this bucket of water that I have here. And there's nothing special about it, it's just a bucket of water. So now those are in. Let's see if I can get them submerged. Sorry about the camera quality. Okay, so those are under the water. You'll see that the light is solid blue now, which is obviously a good thing, but we don't have any other cables attached. If the light turns blue when you put CMS and DRL in there, though, it means that CMS and DRL, the cable itself, is okay. If I go back into the control room, though, it's still gonna look all kinds of crazy. So then what you do is you basically put one cable at a time into the box and then into the water, and you see if the light starts to flash blue. And if it does, that means that there's either something wrong with the cable or that connection. So for instance, I'm just going to be setting this down here for a second. I'm going to put in this cable. It happens to be EX5. I'm going to put it into the number 7 slot because we've been having some problems with the number 7 slot. And then I'm going to stick this into the water. And today it looks okay, solid blue. But instead of doing that, instead of using this EX7, what I've been suggesting that people do, at least for the time being, is to just move one over and use number 8 for the heart rate. And this is fine. But now if I went next door and looked at this screen, in addition to the light still being solid blue, you see EX8 now has a normal offset limit. That bar is gone. And I could keep adding cables one at a time, and I'll do the ribbon cable now, just so you guys can see that. For the ribbon cable, what I recommend is to do 4 at a time, just because if you drop the whole thing in and it starts blinking, you don't actually know which one is the one that's causing you problems. Again, sorry about the camera. So here, I just taking 4 here, right? As we do. Dropping these into the water. Sorry, one second, guys.